How to reset to Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a really easy process. Firstly, go to Windows and type reset this PC. You will see this option. Just tap on the option reset this PC and click on reset PC. And if you want to keep your personal files, choose keep my files. And if you want to completely reset it, completely format it, just tap on remove everything. Select one of the options. So if you're connected to internet connection and if you have a stable internet connection, I suggest you to select the first option, cloud download. It will download the Windows files automatically from the internet, and Windows will do everything on its own. But you can use local reinstall if you have Windows already downloaded. So choose your option accordingly. Firstly, select local reinstall. If it does not help, select the cloud download and click on next and follow the procedures from here, and you will be able to reset your PC. But make sure that your computer is connected to a stable internet, and also make sure that your laptop is plugged in. If you are unplugged from a charger, you will not be able to access to reset this PC option. So make sure that both of the things are working correctly and fine, and in this way you can reset Windows on your laptop or PC.